In this video, I'll show you how to jog a servo motor directly using the iWatch Plus software, from connections to real motion. Here's the wiring between the servo drive and the motor, including the power lines, encoder feedback, and control signals. After connecting the drive through iWatch Plus, the software detects the model and allows us to monitor and configure the servo parameters. I've loaded the verified parameter file defining motor type, control mode, and safe operating limits for jogging. From the jog operation panel, let's enable the servo drive. The indicator confirms the motor is now powered and ready for motion. Now we can manually rotate the servo in both directions. This is perfect for testing motor wiring, feedback, and smooth operation before PLC integration. Now adjust the speed of the motor to speed up the jog operation. That's how you can easily test and jog your servo motor directly from the iWatch Plus software, a must-do step before any PLC control.